Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So next week it's Valentine's Day, so I thought it would be fun to do some Valentine DIYs. So without further ado, I'm just going to start with the first one. So I got this little piece of wood and I thought it would be fun to decorate it with some roses. Now I don't have them and the stores are not open, so I'm going to make them out of air drying clay and these molds. And I have a bigger rose and some smaller. And I think I'm going to put them in a little heart shape. But first thing I have to do is make some roses. So I don't know if I'm going to use the heart shape. It looks just a little bit strange. So I made one with big molds and I think I'm just going to rearrange this till I like it. But first I have to wait till it dries and then I'm going to paint them red. So the clay is all dry and now I can go on to painting, and the first coat is going to be this dark red. And after that I'm going to put a little bit of black with the red and then I'm going to do the edges. The last step is to glue it on here and then it's all done. For the next project I have this little bell jar, but I'm not really in love with this one on the bottom, so I found this lid a long time ago in a thrift store and it fits perfectly. So I'm so happy with this. And now for the decoration inside, I also thrifted some keys. Now, I already separated it in, these are coins, normal keys and skeleton keys. So this is my collection of skeleton keys and there are a lot of different ones. So why I think this is going to be a fun Valentine's DIY, because you can say someone is the key to your heart. So now I'm going to make a little selection and I have my hot glue gun here, and to top everything off I have this little Mickey Mouse key. So now I'm just going to start gluing this on. really have to show you the details on this one because I love it so much. So I try to use a lot of different skeleton keys, and I have like the small ones and the bigger ones, and also some that tipped over or leaning against other keys, and of course on top my little Mickey key. And I just really love the outcome, and I will show you with this on top. It's just so pretty and super simple. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it, and if you liked it you can push the like button, and you can also subscribe to my channel and become a part of this DIY family, and also it would really help my channel. So thank you again, and I will see you next time. So I got 2 DIYs planned, and I'm going to show you. So I got 2 DIYs planned, and I'm going to